Hello and welcome back to 2-Minute Tips. Today, we're going to learn how to manage and delete responses from your surveys, including single, multiple, and all responses. Let's begin. First, to delete a single response, head over to the Data and Analysis tab in your survey tool. Find the response you want to remove, click the three dots on the far right, and select Delete Response. Don't forget to confirm by checking I am sure I want to delete responses. If your survey uses quotas, you can also select Decrement all quotas for deleted response to adjust your quota counts accordingly. To delete multiple responses, simply check the boxes next to the responses you wish to delete. Then hit the trash icon. Again, confirm your action and adjust your quotas if necessary. Then click Delete X responses. Need to clear everything? Click the top checkbox to select all responses on the current page, then click the blue text to select all responses in the survey. Hit the trash icon, confirm, and you're done. Lastly, if you need to delete a lot of data based on specific criteria, use the Add Filter option to set your parameters. Select all filter responses and delete them in the same way.